What is up everybody, and welcome to the new kind of improved channel. So we no longer go by Zero Customs. I mean, if I ever had my own shop, that would be the name of the place. But for YouTube, I think this name that we've got now goes way more with the channel than Zero Customs. And I should have probably announced to you that I was going to change my name, and I didn't, so I apologise for that. But I think Projects of Mayhem is literally the channel. Like, motorbikes, mini motors, any project really, anything with motor, I think it suits the channel quite well. And yeah, so as you can tell, we're in the shed, all the mini moto parts down here, and we actually have the frame out there, you can see. I've just got off the phone with Brad, and we're actually going to be grinding down the tabs, and not needed, just for like, you know, little bits of weight reduction, and just to like make it look nicer in the finished product, so we don't have just random like mounts everywhere. So yeah, we're going to waste no time, we're going to get straight into it, and I really guys, so it's angle grinded off, I'll show you, but I'm not going to grind it down just yet. I'm going to wait, and I'm going to start sanding instead. I mean, there's one, two, right there, and one there. Basically, the reason why I'm not going to grind them down is because I don't know. Obviously, I know angle grinders are supposed to get hot, but the actual, like, my full grinder is literally like red hot. I don't feel like blowing up today, so I'm going to wait a while and come back to it later when it's not like about to catch fire. I mean, it did only cost me 35 quid, so I don't know how much I want to trust that when it's red hot. So we're going to go sanding instead. I think you're going to be happy. Oh, actually, I haven't told you what colours we're going. Yeah, I'll do that now quickly. I mean, I don't know really, because if any JBS Garage subscribers are watching, trying to get some pre-release or something, I don't really want to spoil it for them. So I won't tell you just yet, but obviously you're clearly going to see in a minute, so I won't tell you, you just have to watch and find out. But let's get on to, where's the sanding one? Oh, it's over there. It's over there. We're going to get the sander out and get this done. I'm hoping to get everything done by today. It is a brilliant sunny day, so let's get it. He's turned up. He's here, he's reviewing. So you're seeing it all here. No paint reveals just yet. Getting the sanding done. And he's going to help me with the preps. Hey, he's recording as well. So yeah, still got all the parts in here to do. He's actually going to do the wheels, and I'm going to do the frame. As you can tell, the wheels are over there. He's also making a video for JBS Garage. And yeah, just get things done faster, production faster, you know. The paint reveal for us too isn't bad because we already know the colours. It's mainly for all of you guys. We don't want to spoil it for you guys out there watching. So I'll get back to you when we've got a bit more to show. Raz has taken off all the discs off the wheels, getting them ready to start getting sanded and painted. I'm going to do the forks first, just because it'll be so much faster than doing that whole frame. Just get all the little bits done out the way first, with a bit of efficiency. And yeah, Raz has taken off the old mudguard snap bits. And yeah, that's pretty much where we've got to. So Brad has hand sanded all of this, looking absolutely sick. And then he also just used the palm sander, and look at the difference between that brake disc and this brake disc. How mad is that? And also there's one fork done. So it's coming along. Okay, so Brad's just cleaning up the wheel. Yeah, I've just cleaned up these bits here. We've got the frame looking all nice and cleaned, all the parts here, forks, yokes, brackets. That wheel still needs to be cleaned. All the fairings, been sanded. Yeah, let's get a nice look at that frame. So yeah, it's coming along absolutely nicely. Get back to you when everything's finished, everything's ready. And yeah. Hey guys, everything is now exactly ready for paint. Everything has been sanded, everything is now prepped, and we're literally gonna start doing some hanging. But that is all for the next video. Yeah, if you liked this video, make sure you give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment saying that you want to see more comments like this or content like this. And Brad, have you got anything to say?
Subscribe to my channel, JBS Garage, but you probably came to Samsung through mine because of my bike. But if not, subscribe to me too, because I'm just as cool.
Link will be in the description for Brad's channel. Also, subscribe to this channel, and yeah. Make sure you don't miss anything, make sure you're always active on the channel, and I always respond to the comments, and all subscribers obviously very appreciated on this channel. So yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we start painting it.